kitties, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a subscriber requested video. It is how I prepare my nails for my acrylic application. So of course, pushing back that cuticle skin to expose all the crud crap that's there, right? Now, I had just soaked my nails off and I really didn't get all the acrylic off completely. It was late, I was tired. So you're gonna see some crud, just bear with. This is my cuticle bit. I have a few cuticle bits that I use, but this has become my new favorite because it really gets in there and gets everything done, and it's not an aggressive bit at all. I'm only using it at 3,000 RPMs. I will leave the link for this bit in the description box below, of course. Everything will be linked below, and you'll see me going around. Now, number one tip, do not apply a lot of pressure. You do not need to. Number two, when you are using this bit, do not push it into the person's cuticle or your cuticle. You will damage yourself and it will hurt, okay? You're just trying to keep it straight and go around, okay? As you can see, it does come to a point, but not a sharp point, but it's still a point, so be very careful, okay, guys? Now, you're going to see me go in with my sanding band. It's a fine sanding band. Once again, I'm only using my drill at 3,000 RPMs. I am not applying pressure. I am just going right around the cuticle area, and then you'll see me go over my actual nail plate, and I'm just trying to get the shine off, any other dead particles off, and getting it nice and dry for our tip application, okay? You do not want to apply pressure. You can damage someone's nail plate, and you do not want to use your nail file, your e-file at a very high RPM, because once again, you can damage yourself or your client's nail plate. You're just trying to get the oil off of your nail plate, okay? Then I use my Cuticle Swipe solution. It's 90% alcohol, 10% acetone. It's a ratio of 9-to-1 pretty much, and I use 100% isopropyl alcohol and 100% acetone. Use my manicure brush, get in there and really scrub and clean and get all the dust and particles out. Then you're gonna see me go in with my Mia Secret Dehydrator. Dehydrator is essentially just alcohol. You don't necessarily have to buy that. You see how my nail is already looking dehydrated? That came from the actual swipe solution that I created. You can also just use a lint-free wipe and use 100% alcohol and wipe it across someone's nail, and it will dehydrate. But if you want to buy the dehydrator, go right ahead. To each his own. I'm used to using those steps, so that's why I use it. So now you see me going in with my favorite top nail glue, putting it on my nail, placing the nail tip. It is a weld nail tip, lining it up at an angle, then pressing down and pressing out any air bubbles, guys. Essential. That is essential. Okay, you can see I have like a little air bubble right there, so I go back in and put a little dab of more of my favorite Beauty Secrets nail glue. It's $3.49 at Sally's, just so that there are no gaps. Why do you not want gaps? Because if you have an air bubble, then guess what? Water can get in, and if water gets in, you can get a greenie, and you don't want the greenies. I mean, it doesn't hurt or anything like that. They just look kind of gross, and you have to wait for them to like grow out and grow out. So there may be certain clear nail designs you probably won't be able to do. But anyway, you just don't want them. Point blank period, right? Now you see me going in with, again, my fine sanding band, and I'm going to seal in that nail tip to my nail. I'm trying to make it very seamless, as if my nail actually grew this long on its own, right? So you're going around where the nail and the nail tip meet. You're not going over the nail plate again. Not needed to. You do not need to do it. You just go around and you blend that in. I tend to use my finger to feel that it's smooth. You can do that, but if you use your finger just to make sure that it's smooth, your finger has oil. So if you wipe your finger back over someone's nail, just to make sure that this part is smooth, you will have to go back again with either your swipe solution like you created based off my ratios that I've given you, or with the alcohol and the lint-free wipe, and wipe over the nails again. Now, when I do clients, I have on gloves, so it's not a problem for me. But when I do my own nails, I don't wear gloves. So I will go back in with my manicure brush and swipe solution and scrub again. I'm using my Young Nails Protein Bond and my Young Nails Clear Acrylic Powder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the nail plate twice with my Young Nails Primer. I'm using my Young Nails Primer because I'm using Young Nails Powder. I use my Mia Secret Primer when I'm using my Mia Secret's Clear Acrylic Powder. I like to put in the clear acrylic as a base and then design whatever on top, whether I'm using colored acrylics, whatever will go on top. Why? When I come back to file back a design, I will file back to this base layer. Okay, guys? But yeah, that's pretty much my steps. That's pretty much what I do. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help. But this is pretty much what I do, kiddies. Once again, all links will be left in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please, in the comment section below, drop #nailprep. Okay, kiddies, it's over and out time. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to stay safe, stay blessed. Love you all. Have a good one. Bye, kiddies.